In this video we will study about 1905 revolution in Russia. So we will study about the circumstances which led to revolution in 1905. So first was Russia was an autocracy, means Tsar Nicholas II, who was ruler of Russia at that time, was not subject to the parliament, not working according to the parliament. So liberals, they wanted to end this state of affair, means they wanted to end that situation in which ruler is autocrat. So they worked toward demanding a constitution during the revolution. Socialist democrats, socialist revolutionaries, peasants, workers, all were demanding for constitution, and they were supported by nationalists in Poland, and in Muslim dominated area they were supported by the Jihadists. So they were all demanding for a constitution. Next event was Bloody Sunday incident. Prices of essential goods rose quickly by 1905. When the prices rise, then the wages will be of less value. So Russian workers' salaries were declined by 20%, and 110,000 workers in St. Petersburg went on strike. They were demanding reduction in working hours to 8 hours, means they were working for 14 to 15 hours, but they were demanding working hours should be 8 hours, and they were also demanding increase in wages and improvement in their working conditions. So during this time, 4 members of Putilov Iron Works were dismissed. That incident also raised their feelings against the ruling authorities. So they started one procession under the leadership of Father Gapon, and this procession was attacked by police and Cossacks, means they were from the Tsar Nicholas, and they were stopping the procession from reaching the palace of Tsar. Over 100 workers were killed by firing. So many were wounded, and due to that incident, strike took place as a reaction of that Bloody Sunday incident. It started a series of events known as 1905 revolution, means due to Bloody Sunday incident, many strikes were organized by different groups of society, and these events jointly called 1905 revolution. Universities were closed, students walked out, lawyers, doctors, engineers and other middle class workers, they established their unions and demanded constituent assembly. That is picture of Father Gapon, who was leader of the procession which was reaching to Tsar Nicholas. Tsar allowed the creation of elected consultative parliament or Duma. So Tsar allowed them to have one Duma. Duma means like a parliament. But Tsar dismissed the Duma within 75 days and announced for election of second Duma. So first Duma was dismissed within 75 days, and second Duma was dismissed within 3 months. Tsar did not want any questioning of his authority or reduction of power, so he was not working under Duma. Voting rights and voting rights were restricted. Third Duma was elected then, and it was elected by conservatives. politicians, liberals and revolutionaries were kept out. First World War broke out in 1914 and it became the major cause of Russian Revolution. So due to efforts of revolutionaries, Duma was elected, but first Duma was dismissed after 75 days, second was after 3 months, and third Duma was having conservative effect.